back to the channel. So this morning we are looking at the stock price of SoFi Technologies, and you guys can see on your screen the stock today is down 4.78%, trading at $7.07. Volume is quite healthy and brisk. We are barely a few minutes into today's opening, and already you can see that more than 7.5 million shares of SoFi Technologies has exchanged hands. Average volume would be about 52 million shares exchanging hands on a typical day, but today we barely are a few minutes into the open of the market, and so far we can see that 7.5 million shares of SoFi Technologies have exchanged hands. The other thing that I want to talk about is that SoFi Technologies is now offering extended trading hours to the people on its platform. So if you use SoFi Technologies and their app for your investment, you now have access to extended trading hours. So those are the things that the company has recently implemented, and don't forget that the Biden administration is pushing for a $10,000 student loan forgiveness, and that will definitely affect the bottom line for SoFi Technologies and other financial institutions. The access to liquidity from the Federal Reserve. They are bumping up the interest rates for the month of June and July by 0.5 percentage points each and respectively, and so that will also tighten the access to money, or cause borrowing money to be a little bit more expensive. So bear that in mind, and that will definitely affect the stock price of companies like SoFi Technologies. So that is what I had to share with you this early morning, that the volume is quite healthy, even though the stock price seems to have dropped 4.38%, with the SoFi Technologies stock trading now at $7.10. So we will keep an eye, see what happens, but bear in mind, at the very top of your screen you can see that the S&P 500, the Dow 30, the Nasdaq, and the Russell 2000, all of those are trending, struggling to keep their heads above the water, but they opened up in the negative territory this morning. So just keep a close watch on those, and I think by the close of today, SoFi Technologies would have clawed its way back and made some gains, instead of having a 4.29% drop in the stock price. Thank you for your time. Catch you guys on the next one.